In this video, I'm going to create this cool typography animation. Note that in this video, I'm going to show you how to animate this particular word, but you can follow the same process to animate a group of words. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. In DaVinci Resolve, click on File, and here you can see project settings. Just click on it. Now you can see timeline frame rate. Change this to 60 FPS and click on Save. Now in the media pool, right click on it. You can see Fusion Composition. Click on it and click on Create. It will create a Fusion Composition. Just drag this into the timeline. Now go to Fusion page and there you can see this media out node. Now drag this background node into the workspace and also this text node. Now connect this text node to background node. It will create a merge node. Now connect this merge node to media out node. You will see a black color background. You can change the color here. You can change whatever color you want. For now, I'm just changing it to white. Something lightly white. Okay. Now click on the text node. Give your desired text. I'm giving typography and I will change the color to black. It's nice. Now I'll change the font to Maryland Demo. You can change whatever font you like, and I'll adjust the size like this. Okay. Now click on the text node and click on the transform node. It will directly add the transform node between merge node and text one node. Now click on the transform one and make sure you are at frame 0 on your timeline. Now move 30 frames forward and set a keyframe for size and change the size to 0.8. Now move 45 frames forward, which is 75. I will adjust the timeline so we can see the size 75. Now I will change the default size 1. Now move another 45 frames forward, which is 105, and set a keyframe here. Now move to frame 150 and change the size to 0.8 again. And if I play back, you can see text zoom in and zoom out animation to make it more smoother. Click on spline panel and check the size and click on zoom to fit. You will see this graph. Now select these two keyframes and click on S. Now drag this keyframe to 30 and also select these two keyframes and click on S. Also drag this to 150. Now if I play back, you can see a smooth zoom in and zoom out animation of the text. Now close this spline panel and click on text node in the text box and right click on the text box. Here you can see follower, click on it, which enables modifiers. Now go to modifiers tab and here you can see timing, text, transform, shading. Click on shading and make sure you are at frame 15 on your timeline and set a keyframe for opacity and then move to frame 0 on your timeline and change the opacity to 0. Now we need to adjust the text size, so go to text tab. Here you can see the size. Move to frame 15 on your timeline and change the size to 0.15 and set a keyframe here. Now move to frame 0 and change the size all the way to 0. Now if I play back, you can see the text animation. We can also add motion blur to this. So go to tools and here and go to settings. There you can see motion blur. Click on it and change the motion blur to 5. I will do this again. Okay. Now, if we play back, you can see the motion blur effect. Now you can see the animation is not smoother. To make it smooth, go to spline panel, and here you can see size opacity. I'll uncheck transform and opacity, and I'll click on zoom to fit so you can see these size keyframes. Select them and click on S. Drag this to frame 0 like this. Now uncheck size and check opacity and click on zoom to fit. Also select these two keyframes, click on S and drag this to frame 0. And now if I play back, you can see smooth animation here. Now in the modifiers tab, go to timings and change the delay to 3. And if I play back, you can see the smooth typography animation here. I will play back again. You can also change the delay to 5 so it will look like this. As we increase the delay, the more time it took to display. So I'll change the size to 3. I don't need that much time. And this is what we created in this video. So I hope you liked the video. So thanks for watching.